Hi guys, in today's video we are going to discuss some interview question and answer for C Sharp. Okay, I know and it's true that every interview are different and based on their job profile, but still I have prepared some few important interview question for WinForm or window form C Sharp. Let's discuss. Before that guy, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future notifications. If you ended up liking this video, please hit on the like button and share with your friend. For today's video, you can find this complete question answer set inside my blog. I will give my blog link in the video description below. Okay, so let's start. The first question: what is a window form? Window form is a graphical user interface class library that include a part of Microsoft .NET framework or Mono framework, providing the platform to write rich client application for Windows desktop, laptop, or Windows tablet PC. Very simple, guys. Please go through it. Okay, what are the steps involved in the life cycle of Windows form? There are basic life cycle like window load event, form activate event, form deactivate, form closing, form closed, and dispose. Just go through this, you can understand. What is an object? An object is an instance of a class through which we access the method of that class, method, function, or properties of that class. We can create an object with a new keyword like class C1 equal to new class. Okay. So what is the use of using statement? You already saw that in the programming top level we are adding using system dot data using system.data.sql client. So what is the use of using statement? The using block to obtain the resource and process it and then automatically dispatch when the execution of the block is completed. Means if we are writing using system.data, we can use all the properties of system.data namespaces. When our application know, okay, we have completed the use, then automatically our garbage collector automatically dispose that object. Okay, can we use this command inside a static method? We can't use this command in a starting method because we can only use static variable or static method inside a static variable method inside a static method. What the difference between constants and read-only? Constant is a variable are declared and initialized at the compile time. The value can't be changed after that or at runtime, but read-only used only when we want to assign the value at runtime. What is a sealed class? We create a sealed class when we want to restrict the class to be inherited. Means sealed class cannot be inherited. Sealed modifier used to prevent derivation from a class. If we forcefully specify a class sealed as a base class, then compile time error will come. Okay, so let's don't do ever a base class. Don't make your base class as a sealed class. What is a method overloading? Method overloading is a creating multiple method with the same name with unique signature in the same class. When we compile, our compiler use overload resolution to determine the specific method. Let's say I am creating a method public void get username. Here I am passing only user ID as a int. I can create another method public void username. I can pass string mobile number. So two method with different parameter I can create. Can a private virtual method can be overridden? No, because virtual method are not accessible outside of the class. Okay, what is the difference between system.string and system.text or string builder classes? System.string is immutable. When we modify the value of the string variable, a new memory is allocated to the new value and the previous memory allocation is released. But system.string builder was designed to have accept a mutable string where variety of operation can be performed without allocation to separate memory. Okay, it is a very important question, guys. After 5 years, 6 year experience also you will get this question. Difference between system.string and system.string.string builder. What is the difference between an interface and an abstract class? Very common question. Interface have all method having only declaration but no definition. In abstract class, we can have concrete method. In abstract class, all method are public and abstract class may be private method. Okay. What is the difference between dispatch and finalize? Dispatch is called when we want an object to release any unmanaged resource within them. On the other hand, finalize is used to same purpose but it does not assure the garbage collection of that object. But dispatch assure that this object has been completely dispatched, means garbage collection assurance. What is generic in C#? Generic are used to make reusable code classes to decrease the code redundancy, increase type safety and performance. We can create collection of classes. To create a generic class, system.collection.generic namespace should be used instead of a class. This is an interview question. What is the best class of generic? System.collection.generic. How do you inherit a class into other class? Just use a colon. Like I have a class base class and I have another class derived class, public class, colon base class. What is the base class of .NET form? I already told you in my first class only, system.object. What is the difference between method overriding and overloading? In method overriding, we can change method definition in the derived class. They change the method behavior completely. In method overloading, we create a method with the same name with class with the same name in the class having different signature. But in overriding, we can change the behavior. What are the different way of method can be overloaded? Method can be overloaded using different data type of parameter, different order of parameter and different number of parameter. Data types, order and number. What is the difference between struct and a class? Struct is a value type variables and class are reference type variable. Struct store in the stack memory cause additional overhead but faster retrieval. Struct cannot be inherited, but a class can be inherited. Is C# code is managed or unmanaged? C# code is managed because of CLR. From the beginning of the first class, I told you what is CLR. What is a console application? A console application is an application that can be run in command prompt in Windows. For any beginner of .NET, building a console application is ideally the first step to begin with. I already show you in my second class how to write console application. You can download this question answer PDF file from here. Again, I will give this complete PDF link inside the description below. Also, I will give my all the video of Windows Form, C# Windows Form in today's video link. So guys, for today this much. Thank you. Bye bye.